16 to 18. Star these. This is test light. So make sure you can do these. Okay, right here we have a 45-45 triangle. I'm going to put S, S, and S squared root of 2, aren't I? Okay, so this edge and this edge are equal to 5, right? So I'm going to put a 5 here, and I'm going to replace my S's with 5s, right? Now then, look at this triangle. This is a 45-45 triangle. This is going to be S, S, S squared root of 2 in it. So I know that S squared root of 2 is going to equal to 5 in this triangle, right? So S squared root of 2 equals 5. Divide by the square root of 2. Multiply, rationalize the denominator. You would get S equals 5 square root of 2 over 2. So S would equal 5 square root of 2 over 2. Next square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is 2, and 5 square root of 2 would be on the top. Okay, on this one right here, we have two 30-60 triangles, right? Okay, so this is my 60 degree, this is my 30 degree, this is my hypotenuse, right? The hypotenuse is 2S, and this one in this triangle, this is a short leg, so it's going to be S. And this would be S square root of 3. So what would S equal to here? 10, right? So this leg is 10, and this leg would be 20, wouldn't it? Now then, I'm going to use this 10 to get my X. My X in this triangle is my shortest leg, so it's equal to S. This leg is my hypotenuse, it's 2S. And this right here is going to be S squared root of 3 in it. So I want to know X, I want to know S. So S squared root of 3 equals 10. I need to solve for S. Divide by the square root of 3. You would get S equals, multiply by the square root of 3, rationalize the denominator. You would get 10 square root of 3 over 3. That was fun. Let me know if y'all can't see. Number 18. Okay, we have a 60-30 and we have a 45-45, don't we? So in our 30-60, the hypotenuse is right here. It's going to be 2S. This side will be S. This is S squared root of 3 in it. So we need to do S squared root of 3 equals 6. Divide by the square root of 3. Then rationalize the denominator. The square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is 3. And 3 goes into 6 2 times. This is going to turn into 2 square root of 3 in it. Okay, so our S is 2 square root of 3. And then we need to multiply by 2S. So this edge right here is going to turn into 4 square root of 3, right? This edge would be 4 square root of 3. This would be S, S, and this would be 2S, wouldn't it? So the 4 square root of 3 times 2 would be 8 square root of 3.